The Midiplus ED-9 Pro MKII drum offers a responsive mesh head setup that feels close to an acoustic kit, with dual trigger pads across the toms and snare for expressive playing dynamics. Its sound engine provides a generous collection of preset drum kits along with user slots, so drummers can customize and store their own carefully tweaked setups. The module is built around a modern drum sound processor that uses detailed multi-sampled recordings, giving the cymbals and drums a more natural and less machine-like character. Integrated practice tools such as a metronome, demo songs, and quick recording make this kit especially friendly for players who want to improve timing and review their performances. Expandable pad options, including support for an additional crash cymbal and a fourth tom, allow the kit to grow with the player's needs rather than becoming limiting over time. Sturdy rubber cymbals with choke capability and a triple zone ride provide nuanced control for accents and stops, making this electronic kit suitable for both home practice and serious rehearsal.